Hello. Okay. Time to earthquake again. Okay. Okay. We need this one to save the house. Yeah, to save the house. We need light. Oh my god. There are people who sleepy. We are making a new one. Guys, the new people is there. The new people. Yeah, new people. Okay, a new one. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Just wait. Okay, wait. Okay. Hey. Huh? Here. There you go. Oh my god. Tulong. 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 Tulong bro. Tulong. Okay. The last one. Oh. Now it's nothing. Okay. 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 Let's go. Sana. We need my frog. My frog. My paper frog. Yeah. He's sleeping. My frog is sleeping. Yeah, my frog is sleeping. And his toy. He was a baby boy. Okay. Okay, it's level 1. Okay. Level 1 is alright. Level 2. Oh my god. Okay, that's level 2. Level 3. Level 4. Oh. Okay. Level 4 is fine. Yeah. That's my toys. My toys. Yeah. My toys. Okay. Level 5. Oh my. Sorry guys, I just turned off. Okay, that's level 5. You forget the level 5, bro. You forgot this. Okay. That is the real one. Okay. How do I place? Okay. That is level 2. Just falling down. Oh my god. Okay, that's level 5, guys. Okay. Level 6. Okay. That's level 6, guys. Oh my god. Okay. god, that is freaking! Oh! It would look like in level 6. Here. Oh my god, my little frog. My little frog. My little paper frog. Okay. Okay, it's almost broken. Okay. How about we are shaking the house and it's broken. Okay. Level 7. Oh my god. That's not level 7. That's level 10. Okay. The level 10 is done. Okay. And level 7. Level 7. Yeah, level 7. Oh my god. It's brick. It's brick. It's brick. It's brick. Where are your toys? That is a car that I broken in the. Is there? Yeah. Oh, it's falling down. It's falling down. Falling down. Okay, I'm gonna make it. Okay, it's broken in level 10. Now it's level 8 and level 7. 8%. 8. Yeah, 8. And but it's done 8 is 7. Level 8, but it's done is level 8 is level 7. Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Yeah, oh god. It's too hard. Ow. Okay, there are there. My little frog is there. Level 8. Wait, you are level 9, right? Okay. Okay, this would look like in level 9. Here you go. Level 9. They are broken in the half. Yeah. Okay. They are broken. They are broken. Broken. They are broken. Okay. Too hard. Okay. Level 8. This level 8 look like. Okay. Okay guys. Okay. Look at this. They are being broken, guys. They are being broken. And this almost, you can see, is almost. Okay. Wait, my ball. Stop. Here you go. See, this is a level 7. The final. Okay. Wait, it's too hard because it's too. Wait, level 1, level 2. We have level 1 right. Level 2, this is level 3, level 4, this is level 5, level 6, and this level 7. Wait. How about the largest earthquake in Japan? Okay. That is 9.1 earthquake in Japanese. Yeah, it's broken. Look at this. You can walk it become really real. Yes. Look. Okay, it's done. Bye guys. Goodbye.